Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Paradigm CAD Academy. So in today's session, we will be discussing about geometrical dimensioning and tolerancing. So whenever you are facing an interview, so the first round will be of a tool test. Then the second round will be a face-to-face interview or a technical interview. So in a technical interview, they will provide you a data sheet or a drawing sheet and like this one, and they will ask you several questions regarding this drawing sheet. Okay, so the questions might be like these questions. Okay, so let's see what those symbols will represent, and let's try to answer those questions. Okay, so firstly, this A, B, and C will indicate datum feature. Okay, then all those dimensions are basic dimensions. So in actual, they will provide a rectangular box around these dimensions. Okay, so this circle will be created as a whole feature, and this circle will be indicating as a pin feature. Okay, so it will be extruded cut portion, and this will be extruded boss portion. Okay, so this will be a feature control frame that we have discussed in our earlier video. So in a feature control frame, first will be a geometrical tolerance symbols. So there will be a total 14 geometrical tolerance symbols. Out of this will be a position tolerance symbol. Then in second dialog box or a second square box, it will indicate a tolerance zone. So there will be a diametrical tolerance of 0.010. Then there will be material condition modifier, that is in our case it will be a maximum material condition. Then this will be a primary datum feature, secondary datum feature, and tertiary datum feature. So A, B, and C. So the component will be mounted firstly on this face, so backside face. Then it will be mounted by means of this horizontal surface, and it will be mounted along this side face. Okay, so this sequence is important. Okay, so if this sequence is A, C, B, then the component will be mounted firstly on this face, then secondly this face, and after that it will be mounted on a horizontal face. Okay, so in a later videos we will see what those sequence will causes if we change this sequence to ABC instead of ACB. Okay, so let's try to answer those questions. So the first question is, what is MMC? Okay, so MMC means maximum material condition. Okay, so we need to write the answer for hole as well as pin. Okay, so let's answer it for a hole. Okay, so before going into that, let's understand what is meant by MMC for a hole. So I will just create a reference figure. Okay, so this is a rectangular plate, and in that rectangular plate we will be drilling this circle. Okay, so the maximum amount of material available in a plate will be there only when the diameter of this circle is smaller. Okay, if the diameter of this circle is bigger, then the larger amount of material will be removed from this rectangular plate, and this will indicate least material condition. Okay, so the answer for the first question, what is the MMC in case of hole? So the maximum material condition available when the diameter of hole is smaller. So in this case, diameter will be 4.510. So the maximum material condition for a hole will be 4.510. Okay, so I will just copy this text in order to answer this question. So it will be diameter 4.510. Enter. Okay, so I will again copy this and I will write okay, so I will just indicate it as a hole, and I will indicate it as a pin. Okay, so in case of hole, the maximum material condition will be in case of hole, the maximum material condition will be 4.510. That is the lowest size of this hole. Okay, and in case of pin, it will be a maximum size because larger amount of material will be available when the diameter of this boss is a larger. So it will be 4.500. Okay. Similarly, we need to write down what is the LMC. So LMC will be least material condition. So least material condition is possible only when the diameter of this hole is a bigger. That means if we remove larger amount of material from this hole, then available material will be lesser. Okay, so I will just copy this first and we will change it to 4.30. Similarly, least material will be available for a boss or a pin when its size is a lesser. So I will just copy again this value and I will modify this value as a 4.495. Okay. Then the next question is, what is the geometrical tolerance for a hole and a shaft? Okay, so the geometrical tolerance for a hole will be 0.010. Okay, and in case of shaft or a pin, it will be 0.05. Okay, then what is a material condition modifier? So in case of both the hole and pin, the material condition modifier will be M, that is maximum material condition. Then what datum controls the perpendicularity? So this datum will control the perpendicularity. So the answer will be A. Then what datum controls the location? So the controlling the location of this hole by means of this B and C. So the answer will be B and C. So I will just write down the answer. So I will just copy this. Okay. So for controlling the location, datum B and C will be used. For controlling the perpendicularity, datum A will be used, and the material condition modifier will be maximum material condition modifier, and geometrical tolerance for hole and shaft will be, for a hole it will be 0.010 and 0.05. Okay, both of those are a diametrical tolerances. Remember, this sign will indicate a diametrical tolerance. Okay, so in this way they will ask you questions on a given drawing sheet. So it will be necessary to read those symbols instead of just by hearting the definition of these symbols. So what is meant by datum feature, what is meant by LMC, MMC. Okay, instead of remembering those definitions, try to solve questions like this one. Okay, if you are really interested in learning 3D modeling along with geometrical dimensioning and tolerance, you can join us at our institute, that is Paradigm CAD Academy at Hadapsar. If you have any doubt regarding this GD&T symbols, or if you want to have information about various 3D modeling softwares, which software you should go for, then you can call us on our contact number. So our contact number is 75067 06016. Okay. Thank you, friends.